consultor from Secure Tech Consulting Services. Today, I will present the findings of our compliance audit on GCash, focusing on four important areas, which are the data privacy, intellectual property, fair use, and responsible information management. This audit was conducted using GCash publicly available policies and official documentation. Who we audited? The organization we reviewed is GCash, operated by G Exchange Incorporated, which is part of the non-group and regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. GCash is one of the largest digital financial platforms in the Philippines. It offers services such as wallet payments, money transfers, savings, investments, insurance, and lending. Because millions of Filipinos rely on GCash, maintaining compliance with privacy and security regulation is extremely important. What we reviewed and how. Our audit focused on four key areas, which are the data privacy, intellectual property, fair use, and responsible management. And we based our assessment entirely on the publicly available information, including the GCash privacy notice, terms and conditions, and related policy pages. We did not access confidential company systems or customer accounts, making this document-based compliance review. So what data is collected and why? GCash collects different categories of information to provide secure financial services. This includes identity information for know your customer or KYC verification, device and transaction data for fraud prevention and service improvement, and functional information such as contact list or link bank accounts for additional features. The collection of this information supports both regulatory compliance and better user experience. Production and transparency. Our review found that GCash demonstrates strong privacy protection. Our review found that GCash demonstrates strong privacy protection practice. The platform uses encryption, multi-factor authentication, biometric login, and restricted employee access to protect user information. The platform uses encryption, multi-factor authentication, biometric login, and restricted. Our review found that GCash demonstrates strong privacy protection practices. The platform uses encryption, multi-factor authentication, biometric login, and restricted employee access to protect user information. It also publishes data privacy notices and clearly explains users' rights, including the rights to access, correct, erase, or object to the processing of their personal information in accordance with the Philippine Data Privacy Act. Ownership and trademarks. So GCash clearly protects its intellectual property by stating ownership of its software, trademarks, logos, and digital content. Copyright notices are displayed on the website, and the terms and conditions prohibit unauthorized use of company trademarks. These policies help protect the company's brand, identity, and intellectual assets. User consent and compliance. While GCash requires users to respect copyright and intellectual property laws, we identified one area for improvement. We did not find a clearly published process for reporting intellectual property infringement or requesting the removal of copyrighted user-generated user-generated content. A dedicated reporting system would make compliance stronger and improve transparency. Next is the 3 good compliance practices, which are the implicit registered programs, detailed privacy notice, and a strong security staff. Overall, GCash demonstrates several strong compliance practices. First, it publicly displays National Privacy Commission registration information. Second, its privacy notice explains the purpose and retention period of collected data. Finally, it implements multiple security measures such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and biometric verification to protect customer information. So, the risk or the weaknesses of GCash. First is the complex data sharing. Second, the limited AR or ML option outs. And third is the no IP takedown process. So despite these trends, we identified several risks. First, data sharing across multiple partners may make it difficult for users to fully understand where their information goes. Second, users have limited options to opt out of certain AI or machine learning decisions used for marketing or risk assessment. And third is the absence of a dedicated intellectual property takedown. Takedown process may delay the reporting of copyright violations. Legal and ethical stakes. These findings are more important. These findings are important from both legal and ethical perspectives. Legally, because organizations must comply with the Philippine Data Privacy Act and the Intellectual Property Code. Ethically, because financial institutions handle sensitive personal and financial information, making transparency and user trust essential. Improving these areas helps protect customers while strengthening public confidence in the platform. 5 actions to strengthen compliance. Based on our findings, we recommend 5 improvements. First is to provide a simplified privacy summary that users can easily understand. Second is to create a dedicated intellectual property reporting and takedown process. Third is to clearly explain partner data sharing and offer more user control. Fourth is to separate optional AI marketing decisions from security-related functions. And lastly, to conduct and publish regular independent privacy and security audits to demonstrate continued compliance and accountability. So these are the references. This compliance audit is based entirely on GCash. This compliance audit is based entirely on GCash official public documents, including its privacy notice, terms and conditions, and GFund terms and conditions. These official sources provided the information necessary to evaluate the company's privacy, security, and intellectual property practices. Thank you for listening to this compliance audit presentation. In conclusion, GCash already demonstrates strong security measures and good compliance with privacy regulations. However, there are still opportunities to improve transparency, user control, and intellectual property reporting. These recommendations can help strengthen both legal compliance and customer trust. Thank you again and mabuhay!